If we take a look at the topography schedule, we see that although these values are 0 here, but the amount of net cut fill as well as cut and fill for the new topo is changed, and any excavation with the new building paths are actually reflected here. Now the last trick I want to show you is how to create something like that, some vertical elements as we had it in some of the case studies. To have a vertical element, it's not a bad idea to set a reference plane which is vertical. And the easiest way to do that is simply create a wall somewhere around here. The location doesn't matter because all we need is just a vertical surface so we can have a base for our reference plane. Now I want to go to the architecture tab. I want to set, pick a plane, OK, and I want to pick this surface, hit show. Again, you can move this over there. OK, so as you see, the surface of that wall is now our reference plane. Now if you delete the wall, the reference plane is there. Okay, so how about I go to the architecture tab, component, model in place. I want to go with another generic model. Okay, the reference plane is set. You can start drawing some lines. I'm going to use extrusion. I'm going to draw some lines here. You can design any element that you wish, and it can go below the surface of the ground. That's totally fine. Actually, it's better because we somehow need to extend it below the ground to have a little bit of leverage. So how about I use offset? Maybe I can offset this by 20 centimeters. Pick the lines and the lines, oh, point to here again. Okay, now I can start clicking on the lines, and I need to close the two ends over there and over there. Now we can check the box. As you can see, the extrusion amount is there. We can change it to any amount that you wish, and you can finish the model. I'm gonna get rid of the previous ones, and I'm gonna show you how you can assign some material to that. If you select the object that you created, there is no option for material here, so we need to go to edit in place, select the object, and now we have the material options here. I want to create a very simple material. I'm gonna rename it as yellow, and I want to just assign some yellowish color to both graphics and appearance. And we can decide about the real material later. Maybe it's plastic, maybe it's some kind of metal or covered with acrylic color. We'll decide about it later. Okay, and I can finish the model. Okay, and you can select that object. You can go to a different view if it's easier, and you can use copy, maybe multiple, and you can copy that object as many as you wish. And if you are done with that reference plane, you can turn it off from here.